Hey guys, in this video I will tell you about Cash App Borrow Limit. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to check your Cash App Borrow Limit, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, tap on bank icon at the bottom left of the screen. Here, scroll down and you will see this borrow option. As you can see, it says you can borrow up to $500. Now, let's understand what the borrow feature actually is. Cash App Borrow is a short-term loan feature that allows you to borrow small amounts of money directly from the app. It's mainly designed for quick financial needs, and repayment is usually deducted automatically from your Cash App balance. Currently, Cash App Borrow typically allows users to borrow anywhere between $20 and up to $500. However, not everyone will get the maximum amount right away. Some users may only see limits like $50 or $100 in the beginning. Your borrow limit depends on several factors, such as your account activity, credit behavior, direct deposit history, and how frequently you use Cash App. The more active and reliable your account is, the higher your chances of getting a larger limit over time. So, the maximum Cash App Borrow limit is around $500, but your actual limit will depend on your account behavior and usage. And that's it. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.